Perfect.
All right, we're back again with another one. We got the BMW 328 Xi all-wheel drive package going on. You got a leaking oil filter, leaking valve cover. We're gonna get it swapped out for him. Oh yeah, we're gonna need the pliers. Oh wait. Yeah, we're gonna need the pliers to hold it up. Yeah, you gotta fix that.
Yeah, definitely do.
Fuck. Pop it one more time.
Oh, absolutely. We need this ride, boy. Whoa.
Yo, did you ever think about investing in that machine? So you could put the plastic on your rim? Oh, nah. I remember you showed me this.
Bro, he hasn't had the car for a month, and he already got brake lights on.
Bro,
Gotta get the brakes done.
hell, bro?
He got this weird sound when he reverses. It's just got like a click, 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 click sound.
Already?
When he hit the brakes, it's just like when he hits the brakes, it makes like this weird ass like sound. But it's not the brakes.
It's not the pads?
It's not the brakes. It's like you could tell it's like something in here. Like in the middle of the car, like under in the driver's side and the passenger, like in the middle, you can tell it's like something like right there when he hits the brakes. So I'm trying to tell him like, yo, bro, it's the way you driving, and then nigga get mad. Oh, don't tell me how to drive, bro. You got a heavy foot. Like I'm telling him, like, yo, when he drive, bro, he's not at a steady pace.
He's mad because you telling him it's the way he drives?
Yeah, he drive like 25, like on a 25 mile per hour road, bro. He's doing, yeah, nigga.
He's
like,
doing 50.
He's excelling the whole way there. He's not driving at one steady pace and letting it drive. My mom and shit, your mom and shit. Man, I know you're tired, bro. It is what it is, bro. It's whatever. I had it on, right?
You did.
The tensioner, you didn't have it. That's the only thing you didn't have it under tension. So it didn't have any tension on the belt. It was still loose.
The top thing your hands on?
Which one? This?
No.
This.
No, not yet.
No, it's not practical.
What's the loser's name?
I call her Lola Bear.
Lola Bear. It's a girl?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
See the birds? She don't like the birds. Like, nah, they trying to eat me.
Oh.
Yeah.
You shook?
Those are predators.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why she stay her ass in the house.
Oh, yeah.
Really gunked up in this area right here. All to the backside. You know it was leaking right here. Oh, this one is stiff. Hard as a rock. Wow. Brutal. Oh, look at that right here. Wow. back. Yo.
8 mil on these ground bolts. Tools.
It's coming off right now. That's the gasket underneath.
Oh, then I needed just what's under it.
Yeah, the valve covered gasket. The gasket itself, the valve cover's not correct.
Oh,
It comes with all the gaskets that need to be swapped over.
okay.
What in the hell? Look at this. And I'm glad I got it on camera. Look at this. Bruh. Bruh. There's no way. Well, I can tell you why your valve cover was leaking. There's no way, bruh. No tension at all on any of these bolts. Bruh. Why the hell all the bolts loose? Somebody attempt to do a bad thing Alright, so this one right here got some I think we're about to go through our eclipse right now. Back to what's important. Getting this fucking valve cover off. A lot of oil on here, so we get cleaned up. It's very hard to. Everything tightened up, everything aligned. That was the hardest part, trying to get the valve cover aligned.
No car.
Yes, sir. Come on. No power? No power?
Watch when I press the brake.
Yeah, no power. It's not enough power.
Nothing. Okay, there
What
we
you
go.
mean nothing? Come on, man.
There we go.
fucking recorded before.
I did. I got a little recording before.
That's what I need.
There we go. There we go.
Wow. God damn.
Wow. Yep. Come check it out. At this time of night, my boy, he popped his belt. How long did that take? How long did I just do that for?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay. Came down and got it done in 5 minutes. You're gonna still have to just fix that. You're gonna have to fix that oil. Look at the oil.
Oh my
I
God.
told you. Look at the oil, bro. I told you. When did we do this job? In November? December?
Yeah.
And I said you needed to change that. Look how bad that shit's leaking.
Yeah, that's bad.
see?
It wasn't like that before.
Bro, I sent you the list. Yeah, we gotta get that shit done, bro. We gotta get that shit done. Got it. Look at that shit. That shit is crazy, bro.